Hi, I'm Robbie, Creative Technologist at Building 61, the Boulder Public Library's MAKERSPACE. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of Shop 61, Building 61's awesome woodshop. Shop 61 is an educational community woodshop focused on safe woodworking techniques with an emphasis on big power tools. We have many of the tools a professional woodworker would have in their shop, and some they might not. Shop 61 is open to users of all experience levels. Come in to design and work on a specific project, to learn more about woodworking in general, or to modify or repair a piece you already have. All you need is a library card to take advantage of what Shop 61 has to offer. If you're 13 or younger, you do need a parent or a guardian present. Come into Shop 61 to design a project and a strategy for its execution. Parts for that project can be created, sanded, glued together, and finished. Joinery from simple to complicated can be done. Veneer and inlays can be created and applied, and edges can be profiled. We have saws for rip cutting, cross cutting, and miter cutting. We have machines for creating flat boards out of warped or rough sawn boards. We have machines and tools for sanding board faces, ends, and edges, straight, concave, or convex. We have tools for different types of joinery, for adding details to pieces, and for drilling holes large and small and at different angles. This is our saw stop table saw. The table saw is often used for cross cuts, rip cuts, miter cuts, rabbets, dados, grooves, and box joints. Here's our big bandsaw, which is set up for rip cuts and resawing. And here's our small bandsaw, which is great for delicate or curved cuts. Here's our compound sliding miter saw, which can be used for crosscuts and miters. The track saw is great for making long, straight cuts at any angle. It is also very good for breaking down large, cumbersome sheet goods. Here's our 12-inch combination joiner and planer. It's used for the first few steps of dimensioning a board. To learn more about dimensioning, check out our Shop 61 videos on the joiner, the planer, and on dimensioning. If any of the language in this video is unclear, please watch the wood properties and terms video. For adding details to pieces, we have a variety of chisels and gouges, as well as hand and table routers. Parts we've created will usually need to be sanded before they are glued or have finish applied to them. Hand sanding is always an option, and we have a wide range of sandpaper grit from coarse to fine. We also have some great machines that can make sanding much more efficient and very controlled. The drum sander is great for sanding flat faces, especially wide ones. The oscillating edge sander works well for sanding straight edges convex edges, bigger concave edges, as well as freestyle sanding. The oscillating spindle sander is a good choice for smaller concave edges or enclosed edges. We also have a random orbital sander, which is great for finish sanding on surfaces big and small. We have a drill press and hand drills, as well as a large range of sizes of twist bits, Forstner bits, and countersink bits. For scheduling shop time and to find out more about Shop 61 and Building 61 in general, go to bldg61.org. For more videos, check out our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, visit the library